Hi guys, today I will be playing Virtual Companion Cube. This is a game about a companion cube from Portal. So let's get started. So we have these. This is just a companion cube and portals. We have portals, a cake, aperture science, and marquee insert. And it says barely going with press. Okay. Let's start with the portals. The aperture science annual portal device is only for the last objects. Look at this. The ports will open in 3, 2, 1. Here they are, and these are the portals. Drag the portals to move them. It is the portals. Whoa, that's cool. Wow, can I just put this here? Wait a sec. I think we can just put these things. Wow, that's pretty cool. It's switched. What the heck? It's so cool. Oh my god. Just give me that. Just give me that. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Oh, I just put the portals together. Okay. Let's go for cake. Loading. What the heck? Air. I don't know why. So what's this? Aperture Science Emergency Incinerator. What the heck? I had to. No! I don't want to do this. As you say so. What the heck? His broken heart. That's what the companion cube was found in level 17. Well done. Game over. That's weird. What portal? You don't understand. Okay, what's this button? What? How can you speak? Sorry. Yes. First of all, what's your name? Kurt. Kurt? Hello. Now then. Wait, what? The emergency kissing syndrome reminds that you might commute cannot speak. In the event that does not still speak, which it cannot, the enrichment. Thank you. What portal? Ignore her. As I was saying, have you ever played Portal? I have never played Portal before. In that case, I'll introduce myself. I am the companion cube. Yeah, I know. It's a pleasure to meet you. Thanks. Sure. Okay. Let's see if the cake is working. We should just work the cake if they wanted to use the cake. No, you. Okay. Let's check out the portals again. The Aperture Science Annual's portal devices. Place the portals. He's gonna place the portals will open in 3, 2, 1. Still one companion cube. That sucks. Drag the portals. Let's press this thing. And press this. The cake is a lie. Don't you understand that the cake is alive or something? Dude, the heck. The cake is a lie. The cake is a lie. Okay, Portal. How come they can talk? Okay, so that's all for the game now. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for new videos. So bye.